Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, that's really messy. Let me get to a clean spot. I just got my beauty bakery order in. I'm really excited. It was supposed to come tomorrow and it came early. So I wanted to do like a unboxing with you. So I'm gonna hand Justin the camera so that you can like see my reactions. I kind of peeked, I'm not gonna lie, I peeked a little bit and the packaging already looks really cute, but here you go, babe. Thanks. So I used this knife just to open it. Sweet toothbrush, that's so cute. Okay, so it has the do's and don'ts and what I bought. I bought concealer and setting powder, so not too expensive. I sincerely apologize. We had to let my dog out. That's what he's doing. So I'm just gonna have to like wing it. Anyways, this box is so cute. Like, I'm not a huge fan of pink, but oh, my colors. So it comes with all these little worms. Here's the setting powder, which comes in like, it looks like a flower bag. That's super cute. And my concealer should be somewhere in here. So here is my setting powder. It looks like flour. Super cute. Oh, it even has like little tips on the back. Using a brush, lightly dust on your face for a full matte look. That's what I need, fully matte. And then here is the concealer. Cake face. Oh, this one has tips too. I love how it says choose a shade lighter than your complexion after I've already purchased the product. Let me see if they threw any other cute little things in there. No, it's just a ton of worms. Okay, that was it. I'm really excited. I can't wait to try this out. I thought I got more than I actually did, so the hype was a little bit too much, but I can't wait to try these out. And like, honestly, like this packaging is so cute. Also, there were more casualties today. I wasn't even at work, but I went to this like military spouse convention and there were casualties.